Monday through Friday I come here. Basically I'm here for 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. If somebody needs material, I go and get it from like say our Connex or our gang box just to make sure that they're all stacked up and they can continue working.
The Youth Apprenticeship program is a program for students who've taken Onalaska High School career-related classes in their area that they can now extend their learning to on-the-job training. They get paid experience, high school credit, and they fill a needed position in the workforce.
Getting more time seeing just parts and watching other guys and how they work, gleaning a little bit of information from each guy. Getting to go and see how different people do a task that you might have to do is invaluable.
Electricity always just was like one thing that I could never fully understand it. So my solution to that was going into electrical and figuring it out. I can't sit still. I always like to be doing something. And this job is a little bit of that, and it's entertaining because you're doing something different almost every day. I think the biggest thing that I've learned is that I will definitely love doing this.
The younger you start, the better off you are. If you can know what you're going to do at a younger age and get a handle on it, the sky's the limit.